Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Your Newness channel. I'm Apostle Steve, and today I want to share with you something I wrote on my Substack. You can check it out in the link below. Follow me there on Substack. Also, follow me here on YouTube. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and hit that hype button as well. Your support is greatly appreciated, and I love you all for sticking with me and coming back and hearing all that I have to say. So without any further ado, let's get into the article. Now, I've never met an artist who didn't yearn for success. And I'm not talking about fame and fortune, but getting good at what you do, that type of success. Artists typically want to get better at the work they create. Most artists have a good grasp of what's needed to meet that goal. And if you're reading this and thinking about your own track of growth, you'd probably say, I gotta draw, paint, or do more of whatever you do. If only my art could get better, everything would be different. Has that thought ever crossed your mind? Now here's the truth. What's holding you back from growth is not skill or talent, which is important, but doesn't tell the full story. It's more about a lack of consistency. Yes, that annoying trait we all love to hate. We often treat it if it's like we think of the most nutritious vegetables, right? We hate the taste, but we know it's good for us. Now, don't get me wrong, talent and skills are useful. They ought to be pursued, but it's not what wins the game. What you need above all else is consistency. Now, what you do every day is what defines you as an artist. Every habit you build shapes your thoughts and style more than anything else. And there's an old saying, what you put in, you get out. And this is true in art making. The more you create, the more you gain insight into your craft. The more you gain insight, you gain the more knowledge and you become more skillful and more talented. Therefore, talent is the offspring of consistency. Consistent practice is the foundation of all artistic growth. What am I saying? Before you think about achieving any skill or talent, you must first have a consistent habit to get you there. There are very few exceptions to this rule, and there's no way around this fact. Once you understand this principle, your potential becomes limitless. You don't need to obsess over whether your art is good or if it meets the never-ending expectations. That is a waste of time and energy. You just need to make art and do it consistently. This alone will give you the drive to get better and more efficient in your creative practice. The truth is, whenever you start something new, you're going to be bad at it. No one starts from the top. Embrace the fact that your work is going to suck for a while. Just know you must sift through the bad to get to the good, like panning for gold in a stream. You'll pick up piles of mud before those gold nuggets start appearing. This process is not easy. It will reveal your faith and patience, but stick with it. Don't give up. If you're not seeing results right away, keep going and work at it as often as you can. Results will surely come as you put in the work. You'll build a keener awareness of your art and what it's communicating to you and all who see what you create. It can be something as small as a brushstroke or a mark that can open your eyes to something deep within your art. When consistency becomes an integral part of your practice, you'll begin to recognize the value of your work. The investment of consistency will prove its worth by the experiences you gain through developing strong creative habits. The more you engage in your work, the greater mysteries you'll uncover. This is an exciting part about art making. It's like being a scientist running thousands of experiments and finding a secret formula which can transform the world as we know it. It's within that desire to search and find answers that you will develop the discipline you need to master consistency and harness its power to transform your creative work. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. I love you all. Yahweh bless. Keep working at it. Don't give up. Go out there and create something beautiful. And I will talk to you all again soon. Peace out.